How to create a sidebar navigation drawer with routing in Flutter. Inside the scaffold we have the drawer property where we can add a navigation drawer. With this, if we tap on this menu icon, we have an empty navigation drawer. Inside the drawer we add a scrollable column, and now we create the header and menu items inside of two separate methods. For the menu items we create a column and a list style for the menu item. With this, the menu item is displayed behind the status bar. To change it, we also want to add some spacing to the top. Next to the single menu item, we also want to add some more menu items. Also, you could add a divider to include different sections. Next, we replace the column by a wrap widget to also include some vertical spacing. Optionally, wrap a container around to add some spacing around all menu items. And finally, if we click on a menu item, then we want to navigate to a new page. Simply call the navigator push replace method and we navigate to the home page. As a result, we can click on the menu item and we navigate to the home page. Alternatively to the push replacement method, you can also call the push method and we navigate to the favorites page. This is another page that I have created. With this, if we click on the favorites menu item, we go to the favorites page and you have this back button, then we go back to the navigation drawer. Simply call before the navigator pop method to have the navigation drawer closed. With this, let's go to the favorites page. If we navigate back, then we go back to the home page and the navigation drawer is closed. On the favorites page, you can replace the back button by the menu item. With this, we can open from the favorites page directly the navigation drawer. And finally, we create the header on top of the menu items. Therefore, let's add first of all a background color. Next, we create a column and inside of it, we place all of the widgets inside. With this, we have an image and two texts below. Also include some more padding to the header for the final design. To include some interaction to the header, wrap the inkwell widget around. Also set the header background color to the material widget and remove it from the container. And lastly, if we tap on the header, then we navigate to a user page. This is a new page I have created. As a result, we can tap on the header, we go to the user page, and we can also navigate back to the previous page.